Welcome to Daily Easy English. Today, we are going to practice English speaking in a simple, natural, and powerful way. If you want to speak English more confidently, think faster, and sound more natural, this lesson is for you. You do not need a classroom. You do not need pressure. You only need your voice, your attention, and a little time every day. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. I am improving my English every day. Now relax, listen carefully, and speak with me. Many English learners focus only on grammar and vocabulary, but real speaking is much more than that. Speaking is also about rhythm, emotion, flow, and confidence. If your voice sounds flat, it may be because you are nervous. That is completely normal. Today, we will practice speaking in a natural way, one step at a time. Imagine your voice is like music. Sometimes it is slow. Sometimes it is fast. Sometimes it is soft. Sometimes it is strong. That is how natural English sounds. Now, let's warm up your mouth and your brain. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. Today is a beautiful day. I am becoming more confident in English. I speak English step by step. Mistakes help me improve. I enjoy learning English every day. Little by little, I am becoming fluent. Very good. Keep going. One of the biggest problems English learners face is translation. You hear English, then you translate it into your language. Then you try to translate it back into English. That takes too much time. So now we will train your brain to think directly in English. Listen carefully.
Coffee, morning,
Breakfast,
bread,
bakery,
cake,
birthday, family, happiness. Did you notice that? Your brain naturally connects ideas together. This helps you speak faster and more smoothly. Now repeat after me. Travel,
airport, passport, airplane,
vacation,
beach,
sunshine, relax, happiness. Excellent. Do not worry about mistakes.
just keep speaking.
One of the best ways to improve your English is to describe your world.
Look around you right now.
What can you see? Listen to this example. I am sitting in my room.
There is a window beside me.
The weather is sunny today. I can hear people outside. My phone is on the table. Simple English is powerful. Now, let's practice daily routines. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I eat breakfast and drink coffee. Then I start my work or studies. In the evening, I relax and practice English. At night, I go to sleep feeling proud of myself. Very nice. Now, let's practice real conversations. Imagine you are in a coffee shop. Hello, can I get a coffee, please?
Sure.
What size would you like? Medium, please. Anything else? No, thank you. Your total is $5. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, let's practice a job interview answer. Tell me about yourself. My name is Daniel. I am hardworking, friendly, and motivated. I enjoy learning new things and improving my English skills every day. I work well with people, and I always try to grow and improve. Excellent practice. Remember this. Fluent English is not built in one day. Confidence grows through daily practice. Every sentence you speak makes you stronger. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. Do not compare yourself to others. Just keep improving day by day. If this lesson is helping you, support Daily Easy English by subscribing to the channel. Like this video and comment below. I can speak English confidently. Your support helps this channel grow and helps more learners around the world. Now, let's practice storytelling. Last weekend, I went to a small cafe near my house. The weather was beautiful and the streets were calm. I ordered a cup of coffee and sat near the window. While I was drinking my coffee, I listened to people speaking around me. I felt relaxed and peaceful. Moments like this help me enjoy life and practice English naturally. Now repeat after me exactly like a native speaker. I'm really excited to improve my English. Speaking English becomes easier every day. I believe in myself. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I enjoy the learning process.
Great job.
Maybe today your English is not perfect. That is okay. Every fluent English speaker started as a beginner. The secret is simple. Practice every day. Speak every day. Listen every day. Your future self will thank you. Thank you so much for spending time with Daily Easy English. I hope this lesson helped you relax, practice, and improve your English speaking skills naturally. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below telling me your favorite part of today's lesson. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. And I will see you in the next video.